Safeguard your GL accounts from deletion. In Business Central, it's possible to delete an account from the general ledger even if there has been transactions on it, as long as it has no balance and the transactions do not belong to an income year that is still open. We recommend that you change some settings to restrict when these deletions can occur. This is done on the General Ledger Setup page. Let's go there. I bring up the search with Alt-Q. I type General Ledger Setup, and I go to the General Ledger Setup page. Let me find the fields that I'm looking for. Here we have three fields that govern the circumstances of GL account deletion. With the Check GL Account Usage setting, we can block any attempt to delete a GL account if the account is used in any setup tables, like for example if it's specified in the posting setup. The next two settings work in combination with each other. First, if you have regulatory requirements for how long you need to store data, you want to first define that in the Check GL Account Deletion After field. For example, if you must store data for 5 years and your fiscal year follows the calendar year, specify the date after which you don't want deletions to occur. For example, if the current fiscal year is 2023, which is still open by the way, and I need to store data for 5 years, meaning 2018 through 2022, I set the Check GL Account Deletion After to December 31st, 2017. This means I can only delete the account if transactions has happened before that date. Now, when I try to delete an account with transactions in years 2018 through 2022, the system will ask me if I really want to delete the account. I can still do so if I want to. If I want to outright block the deletion of the account, I'll have to use the third setting called Block Deletion of GL Account. It works in combination with the date in the Check GL Account Deletion After field. Then, as my current income year 2023 closes and I want to keep 5 years of history, I want to move this date 1 year ahead. And that's how you can govern the deletion of GL accounts. Thank you for watching.